Hey drone lovers! In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 best Chinese drones of 2025, all equipped with 8K cameras, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and gimbal stabilization. These drones are not only affordable alternatives to big brands, but they also pack high-end features for content creators, hobbyists, and aerial photographers. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's launch into the sky and explore what these flying machines can do. Number 1. AE86 PRO MAX Drone, 8K, 10 kilometers range, fishing, and obstacle avoidance. Leading the pack is the AE86 PRO MAX, a true powerhouse of aerial photography. It comes with an 8K HD camera, a screen remote controller, and an impressive 10 kilometers transmission range. What makes this drone unique is its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance and even fishing capabilities. Yes, it can carry bait and drop mechanisms. Pros: stunning 8K UHD footage, long 10 kilometers FPV range, obstacle avoidance in all directions, screen remote included, ideal for aerial plus fishing enthusiasts. Cons: bulky due to extended features, not beginner friendly. Verdict: for serious drone pilots and creators, the AE86 PRO MAX offers pro-level specs at a fraction of the premium drone price. Number 2. JJRC S819 8K. 3-axis gimbal, GPS, foldable design. Second is the JJRC S819, a foldable GPS drone with an 8K camera and 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth footage. The drone supports 5G Wi-Fi FPV, has brushless motors for stability, and includes a remote with a built-in screen. No phone needed for live view. Pros: sharp and stabilized 8K video, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, built-in screen remote, foldable compact design, brushless motors. Cons: no side obstacle avoidance, not waterproof. A solid choice for content creators who need high-quality stabilized video in a portable and compact package. Number 3. A25 PRO 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Next up is the A25 PRO, a professional-grade drone that brings all-around obstacle avoidance and smooth aerial control with its 3-axis gimbal. It's equipped with GPS, brushless motors, and a touchscreen FPV remote for easy visual tracking and control. Pros: 360 degrees obstacle detection, super stable flight with 3-axis gimbal, 8K camera for detailed imaging, touchscreen remote equals user-friendly, intelligent flight modes. Cons: slightly shorter flight time, heavier frame than others. Ideal for urban and close proximity flying, the A25 PRO offers maximum control and collision safety. Number 4. Wing 6 Drone, 8K camera, 20 kilometers range, advanced avoidance. The Wing 6 is one of the most powerful long-distance drones of the year. With a jaw-dropping 20 kilometers control range, an 8K HD camera, and built-in screen remote, this drone is made for exploration and landscape videography. It also includes advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, perfect for navigating in complex environments. Pros: 8K camera with deep clarity, insane 20 kilometers transmission range, reliable GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance sensors, great for scenic and long-distance shots. Cons: maybe overkill for beginners, slight learning curve for setup. For professional drone pilots who want to capture landscapes or coastlines, this one's an absolute beast. Number 5. SX1 3-axis gimbal, 5G GPS, 8K per 4K camera, EIS stabilization. Last but not least, the SX1 is a well-rounded, beginner-friendly drone offering EIS image stabilization, 3-axis gimbal, and 8K video support. It includes GPS auto-return, foldable arms, and a screen remote, all packed into a sleek and compact build, great for travelers and casual flyers. Pros: 3-axis plus EIS equals super smooth video, lightweight and foldable, GPS with auto-return, built-in screen controller, 5G Wi-Fi FPV. Cons: battery life could be longer, lower stability in strong winds. A great entry to mid-level drone for those who want professional features without complexity. So those are our top 5 best Chinese drones of 2025. These drones offer incredible value with 8K cameras, gimbals, smart GPS, and obstacle avoidance, all at prices far lower than major brands. Quick recap: best for pros and fishing, AE86 PRO MAX. Best foldable stabilizer, JJRC S819. Best for urban flying, A25 PRO. Best long-range Wing 6 drone, 20 kilometers. Best all-around value, SX1 drone. Which drone impressed you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments, like the video, subscribe to Must Have Gadgets, and tap that bell icon so you don't miss the latest in drone tech and reviews. Thanks for flying with us. See you in the next one.